This is LeetCode problem 206, reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. If we flip the direction of the pointers, we can get the reversed linked list. Then how to achieve it? We can use iterative method. Step 1, we access to previous node and current node. Step 2, we save a reference to next node. Step 3, we change current node's next pointer to link to previous node. Step 4, we move previous node forward by 1, and then we also move current node forward by 1. Eventually, we exit the loop until the current node is null. This is the coding part. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of 1. We can also use recursive method. Base case is a linked list of size 0 or 1. In order to reverse entire linked list, we can use reversal list function to reverse sublist after current node. As we see in the example, we use reverse list function to node 2 to node 5. And after we use the function, we can get 5.24, 4.23, 3.22, and new head is node 5. Now, tail of reversed sublist, which is node 2, need to point to node 1. We can reference node 2 using head.next, and then set head.next to head. Node 1 need to point to null, so we set head.next to none. This is the coding part. Base case, a linked list of size 0 or 1. Using code, we can say if not head or not head.next, return head. Then we recursively reverse sublist starting from next node. One thing to call out here is we have to have self dot before the reverse list function. Then we set reversed sublist tail point to head, set head point to null, eventually return new head. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of n as well.